Alright guys, and we are live. What's going on guys? It's your buddy Jose Chewy and welcome back to the channel. So, I know in the thumbnail I guess I was at all-time highs, but when I started recording this, the market went from doing amazing to it went all the way down to 187k. So unfortunately I didn't reach all-time highs again. But later today I am gonna be a little bit worried about these unphased earnings because I really don't know what unphased is gonna do. But hopefully they don't do bad. But all right, guys, before we get started, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot if you guys do that for me. And then I have to take this back. We're not at all-time highs again, but that's all good. I know one day we'll come back up to the all-time highs. And then also, guys, make sure you guys join the giveaway. In order for you guys to do that, you have to like on Instagram, DM me selling options, and then you guys can be entered for that giveaway. And then, guys, I'm not doing Patreon anymore, so the only thing that I ask you guys to do is just make sure you guys stay tuned in and make sure you guys watch this every single day, so then you guys can keep learning about selling options, doing credit spreads, and just making money. What if you don't have Instagram? If you came from TikTok, then I can do it through there too, Eric. So do you have TikTok? If not, then I'll just write your name down. It's all good, dude. I understand that everyone wants to be on all of the social medias. So yeah, for sure, you can still be entered for the giveaway. But all right, guys, like I said, we're just going to take a look at the cues. Uh, I mean, they're not even down like that bad, but my portfolio was down quite a bit. And then I did have some put credit spreads, but I closed them just in case the market keeps going down. Hopefully it doesn't keep going down, but yeah, who knows what the market's going to do. So I'm just going to play it safe, and I left those out, or I closed them just in case the market does keep tanking. But alrighty, guys, today we're down $763, and then for the 1 week, I'm up $669. For the 1 month, we're up 14.3k. For the past 3 months, I'm up basically 29k. For the year to date, 29.1k. For the 1 year, I'm up 27.2k, and for the all time, I am up 21.1k. And like I said, if the market recovers, then I will probably do some more put credit spreads. And I did have like 55 contracts, so I'll probably have to do like 70 now, just to make sure that. Actually, I might have to do the put credit spread right now. It looks like the market is turning around. Let me check the SPY really quick before I do anything, just to make sure that they're coming up as well. Yeah, and then let me check IWM. And then this is the Russell 2000, so we're going to check these as well, just to make sure that they're coming up as well. So yeah, it looks like the market's turning a little bit, because everything was selling off for a little bit. Probably like someone with a lot of money was selling off. So maybe let me check the cues just to make sure. Like I said before, it looks like they are turning, but no, just Q. This one, my bad. All right, so that they're at 380, so I might have to do some more put credit spreads. So just give me a second, guys. Sorry. Usually I don't trade like live on here, but I will wait and see because, like I said, I closed a put credit spread because um, it was supposed to be one that like expires next week on Friday. I think the strike price was like 371. So I know it's not anywhere near 371, but the market was like it was coming down. So I was like, oh shoot. So it looks like yeah, they're coming back up. Let me check the SPY again. Sorry, 1 second. I mean, it's staying like around the same. Like right now, the market doesn't know what it wants to do. Um, like I know it took theirs. Looks like it's coming up, but just to make sure, I want to make sure that I'm not losing any money. But it looks like the market is gonna stay stable. But I'll come back to this just to make sure that I can get into it. Hello there. I started trading 2.5 years ago. I have lost so much. Still here trying to learn. Dang, how much did you lose, Junior? Because like I don't even know. Did I lose that much money? I think I lost maybe like. Well, I wasn't really trading. It was more for like investing because I started in like 2021. Well, I started like before that, but that's when I was like taking it not super serious, but like when I started like buying actual companies, and I like just S&P 500, and I lost quite a bit because I was like at the peak. which is not good. But it looks like, let me just double check SPY again. Let me check these put credit spreads. No, not this one. I want to do next Friday. Maybe I'll. Oh no, not that one. This one, right? Yeah. So I'll be getting 19, basically 18 cents in credit, and then I'll have to do like 70 of these. Because the trade that I did before on the Qs, I think I lost like $1,100 on it. But let me just make sure that the Qs are coming back. 134K. Dang. That's a whole lot of money. I'm 50 years old. When I started, I was up like a month, but I have no idea what I was doing. Then the market started to go down, and I would sell that big losses I made. All the mistakes you could have made. Dang, dude. Sorry to hear that. Um, Now I'm just trading SPY and holding some big losers. What are your big losers, if you don't mind me asking, Junior? Because some of those companies that could come back up started in 2020. Gotcha, dude. It looks like the market is not coming back up. So, I mean, it's kind of like iffy right now. I think I will just wait until um, I get like a little bit more confirmation. Um, but all right, guys, here's everything that I have for today. I did these put credit spreads. I don't remember if these were live on air yesterday or not, but I have those. Obviously, I have these end phase covered calls because I have end phase, and then I also have covered calls for Palantir, PayPal, Target, and then Truist, and that's TFC. So, and then I also have this leap on PayPal. But besides that, I have a sell put on Riot. So far, $20 up. Honestly, better than losing money. So that's good. Mara, I have a cash secured put. Same thing with Coinbase, but Coinbase went down quite a bit today. Yeah, Coinbase is under 95. But the good thing is that since these are options, I have other options. So like if it does go like below that, what I could do is, because this is the expiration date for that one, but I could roll this one, and it would have to be 5.95. So I could bring it down to $93 and be making a net credit of $56, which is better than losing money. So honestly, I will take it, but it's not the end of the week, or not the end of, because this one expires on the 4th, so that's next week. So I'm all good until that does happen. But I do have all these covered calls, which I will have to handle after. I'll probably handle them tomorrow just to see what they do. But the big thing, guys, Enphase reports earnings today, and I'm kind of scared, to be honest with you guys, because this is the most like volatile stock that I have. Because the rest of these are like not super volatile, but Enphase, kind of scared to be honest with you guys. But uh, I know for the long term they're going to be good. So if they do drop down my like below my cost basis, so my cost basis is 161. So if they drop below, I would say 157, I will be a buyer. So I'll probably buy like 100 more shares, or I'll start selling puts on it again, or maybe I can. Actually, I'll just wait until after earnings just to make sure that I don't uh, do anything dumb. Mullins, yeah, dude, those companies. Nikola is a scam, basically. I've never heard of um, HAB. But also, one thing is they could have a short squeeze. So, but yeah, I don't know if your account's looking too good, to be honest with you. You still using margin or not? Yeah, dude. I went back to margin because what was it? I was doing like I didn't have any margin, but then I saw the market like, because after Jerome Powell spoke yesterday, I was like the market's gonna go up, and so far I've been wrong. because the market, like, it has gone up, but yeah, not as much as I thought. I didn't think the market was gonna actually like come down, but I think I will probably do my put credit spread right now. Um, yeah, I think I'll probably just do them now because I think the market is like settling off and then it'll come back up hopefully. But guys, please do not like enter into this trade like me because like for me, I basically I can look at these charts all day if I really have to. How's SPY? Let me actually check the SPY to see if they are coming back up as well. Yeah, it looks like they want to start coming back up, but people are still selling. So let me check the cues. Actually, I'm gonna wait just in case. Uh, yeah, margin got me twice really bad. Yeah, dude. Have you ever thought about selling calls and puts, Junior? Because like when you sell calls and puts, you generate income. So like, if you did have a lot of money, I would have like suggested you to do it like on Google, because like of course during the highs they went to 148 and then they dropped down, but Google has like a whole bunch of money, and they have a real business. So that's probably what I would have suggested you to do since you have like a lot more money. Because like for me, the companies that I do have, um, like these companies I believe in for the long term. Um, but yeah, sorry to hear that, dude. But at least you learned your lesson, I guess. Because for me, I had an M1 finance portfolio too, and I think I forgot where I started off, but I was just doing dividend stocks, but that was not the right move to be honest with you. I should have been into growth, but it's all good because we all will learn from it. Um, yeah, it looks like the market is gonna keep coming down, so I'm gonna wait off on my put credit spreads because I can always do them tomorrow or next week, so they'll they'll be there. Yes, I sell some here and there. My account is only at 29K, so now trying to trade more smartly. Yeah, dude. SPY is dropping today. Yeah, dude. I don't know what's going on because we had like Jerome Powell didn't say anything negative yesterday. Maybe it's just a quick sell off. 371. As long as the QQQ stays above 371 tomorrow, I should be all good. So far, the lowest day that we've had for this past week is 374, so I should be all good. Um, has to drop quite a bit. Um, what was it? 371. We'll do something from like right here. So it has to drop around like 2% more for me to start losing money, which is like it's not completely impossible for the Qs to just keep going down. So I am going to keep a close eye on this just to make sure that I don't lose a lot of money. Um, Maybe I should just close these for a profit. But like I said, I don't know what because we had like good news yesterday, so I really don't know why the market is selling off. But I will keep an eye on it just to make sure that I don't lose a lot of money. Powell just have a speech right now. I hope you're not lying to me. Calendar. Is he really? Albert? Because if he is, then I might have to sell off some of these. Because whenever he talks, I've noticed he like drops the market. So I usually like to like after he's done speaking, that's when I like to buy again. How's uh, RYCEY? First, let me check this, and then I will. What's today? The 27th. Are you sure, Albert? Because he spoke yesterday. So I don't know if he's speaking again today. Oh, actually, it says 2-day meeting. Yeah, you're right. Shoot. Or is no? It says the 25th and the 26th. Today's the 27th. So I don't think that's gonna. I don't think he's speaking, to be honest. But let me. I think I'm just gonna leave the Qs alone. I'm not gonna do any more put credit spreads just to make sure I don't lose any money. Because this one's is it's extremely low and very like there's a very low probability that it's gonna go down to 364. But there's always a chance that it could happen. So I am gonna keep an eye on everything. So make sure you guys do stay tuned in so then you guys can see exactly what I'm doing with my portfolio. And then guys, like I always forget to say this, but um, if you guys are new around here, make sure you guys message me on Instagram, because I am doing a giveaway. Like I'm doing a giveaway once we reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, but I'm doing the giveaway on Instagram. Actually, I'll probably like do a live here on YouTube, but yeah, guys, just DM me on Instagram selling options so you can be entered for that giveaway. It's a $200 giveaway, but I'm going to be giving $100 to one person, another $100 to another person. But yeah, guys, and then also make sure you guys stay tuned in. Like I said, there's no more Patreon, so just make sure you guys stay tuned into here. And I got a notification on my. Hold on, guys. Let me refresh this. And then, Kyle, I'll get to your question in a second. Just want to make sure I'm not losing a lot of money. And the end phase earnings are today. Kind of nervous, not gonna lie. But let me check. What is it? RYCEY. Rolls Royce. I like the people that make cars. Power systems. Let me check on Qualtrim to see how their last numbers were. Um, Not I don't see them on here, but they don't have every single company on here. Earnings report. The heck? Did they not report this year yet? Because they're supposed to report every single quarter, but this one they haven't reported. Well, it doesn't say that they have reported. I can send you the link for the live stream. I think he's finished already. Okay, dude. Yeah, please, if you don't mind sending me the link. Jerome Powell. Actually, let me just see if he's on here. Is there one for today? Filters today. I don't think so, dude. Because the rest of these are 19 hours ago, 22, 22, 22. Yeah, all of these are saying they're from yesterday. So I don't think he spoke. But I could be wrong. Junior, stop. You were just gambling money. Just do the wheel strategy on stocks that you do fundamental. Yeah, dude, I agree with you. Make sure you do the research first and then do the wheel on those companies. So like for me, I've already done a bunch of research on Palantir, PayPal, Target, Enphase, and Truist, and that's why I chose these stocks because for me, I feel very comfortable like holding these long term. So yeah, dude. But yeah, I don't see anything about Jerome Powell. And then Rolls Royce, um, I wouldn't do anything with because, like I said, I don't see their financials. Unless, let me check on here. Q2. Oh, maybe they did. Okay, here we go. I mean, like they're not doing that bad, dude. Like if they can come profitable, then I think this could definitely be a buy. But I don't know how like the rest of their company is. Earnings per share. Mm-mm. Dang, actually, I might have to look more into this, dude. Oh shoot, go back. I'll have to do more research into this, dude, because um, they grew. I forgot what it was, but their stock price did go up quite a bit, so the investors liked what they were seeing. But really quick, one more refresh on this just to make sure not losing any money, because this is obviously my first priority, because I was at all time highs, but market tanked. I don't know what happened, to be honest with you guys. Maybe the market is just cooling off. That's what it is. Because we have been running for like, I don't even know, the past like month. We've been running a lot. Like we were stagnant right here, but ran up a lot. So we're probably just gonna be like stagnant right here. But like the thing that I don't get either is because Meta and then what's it called? Meta and then oh, not and Google, they both beat their earnings by a lot, and their stock price went up by a lot. But for sure, if Google goes under 130, I'll be a buyer of Google. So I'm going to be waiting on Google. Hopefully, they do come down from their basically 131. Google is like Google or Meta are definitely two buys that I want to get into, and then Amazon as well. Those three companies look absolutely amazing. I'll probably get Amazon because I don't know when Amazon's earning. I I bet you they're going to do amazing because I don't know. Amazon has like um, for me the best business model, and they have the e-commerce thing. Oh shoot, it's on the third. I think they're only expecting 34 cents of EPS. Dude, that's insane. $131 billion. Freaking insane. Looks like maybe the markets are coming back up. Let me just check. Yeah, like they're holding right here, and it looks like they're having some like resistance right here at like we'll say like 381. Oh no, it looks like they're coming back down again. All right. um, how do you do your research on stocks? Like for first, I want to see if like other people are talking about it on YouTube, and then if that checks off, then I will do more research into it. Because at first, I was looking at PayPal and I was like, PayPal looks so good, and then I saw other people like talking about them as well. So I was like, I got to do more research on them. But like I said, I do like the one big thing for PayPal right now is who their CEO is, who their next CEO is, because right now they have no idea who's going to be their next CEO. I have PayPal right now, bought at a high of 107. Would say it's best to buy more considering the price is low. All right, dude, I got your word for it. You got it. But also, I do have what's it called? I do have like where is it? A leap on it. So I have this leap right here on PayPal at $60. Should I just add another leap? Because not gonna lie to you, PayPal is and I was like $7,000 for 100 shares of PayPal. But then I won't have to worry about it. I won't have to worry about it like in a specific time frame. I can wait like 10 years for this thing to come up. But with obviously with the call, it has to be over $60. And right now, I am in I am up $312, which is honestly better than I expected. To be honest with you, there are so many free resources you could use, such as stock analysts, look at the news, take a look at their earnings. Yeah, dude, I've been looking to see if are there any like paid services because I know they're Seeking Alpha, and then what's the other one? Seeking Alpha is obviously like the best one that people use because I've been like trying to see like if I should get Seeking Alpha. I'll probably try their 14-day free trial and see how that goes. Because I know there's other people that cover it, and but yeah, dude, I'll probably have to take a look at it just to see what's up. But really quick, again, let me just check the Qs. I mean, they're still like, I don't know, they're coming down. Yeah, I think I'll just wait. I'm not gonna do anything. Um, or maybe with this put credit spread, I'll just close it since it is in profit. How much does the stock have to come down? Hold on 1 second, guys. 371 divided by 379. We'll just say 379. So it has to come down 2%. I think that's super unlikely for the Qs to happen tomorrow. But it's selling off by like a lot. So I really don't know what to do right now, to be honest with you guys. Honestly, I'll just leave it as is, and then I'll just wait until the end of the day to see what does happen. And then if it keeps like ticking lower, then I probably will close out of this. But if you are in this play, just make sure that you guys do close it if it just keeps coming down. But all right, guys. Any more questions, comments, or anything else before I go? Obviously, today at the beginning was very amazing. I was at 191K, but now I'm at 185.9K. But honestly, it could be worse. And freaking end phase earnings. Like I said, I am kind of scared because I don't know what end phase is gonna do. Like I said, I think they are gonna do better than expected, but who knows? But alrighty, guys, this has been everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Thank you guys so much. Oh shoot, wrong one. All right, there we go. All right, guys, peace out. Thank you, and make sure you guys take care of your portfolios because it looks like it's market's coming down a little bit.